Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, for the first, at the task 1, for the DC test of 3-phase induction motor. Okay, for the task 1, in this, we gonna use for the Simulink in the MATLAB. Okay, this is the design that I have done to it. We can find for the power GUI display, load, current measurement, and other components, synchronous machine, SI unit, resistor, display, and other component in the library browser. Okay, it's all in here, such as sync source, strings, and syncscapes, utilities, electrical, and others. Okay, after that, we're gonna put same like the task that have been given and connect it. For the first power GUI display, current measurement, load, terminator, synchronous machine, SI unit, resistor, tree of resistor, voltage measurement, and display, and ground. Okay, we wanna make sure for the load is 0. Then make sure that for the mechanical input is torque and reference frame is rotor. Okay, apply and OK. Okay, after you all done connect and put all the component here, then you can adjust the stop time here become 10 seconds and others. You're gonna use for the 10 second. Okay, you also can rename the component here to make it easy for you, such as this display LCDC and then display VDC. Okay, for here and R1, R2, and R3. Okay, to make it visible, we can also hide block name and show block name. Okay, after that we try run it. Okay, after we have done run it, it appear here for the display IDC is 1.779 and for display VDC is 5. Then we're gonna write the output in the assignment report. That's all for the task 1. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Faiz bin Hamidun. Today I want to show you how to do the simulation for test 2, block rotor test of 3-phase induction motor. Okay, first we need to open a Simulink and then we have to find the component. The first is constant, and then we have to find a synchronous machine SI unit. Okay, next we have to arrange the component. Okay, we have to change the constant value to 0 and then connect the constant to a synchronous machine. After that, we have to find another component, bus selector, enlarge it a little bit, and then we have to set up the synchronous machine, change the rotor type to squirrel cage and mechanical input to speed, and then click apply and OK. Then we have to connect the synchronous machine to bus selector. After that, we have to set up the bus selector. Choose electromagnetic torque and rotor speed, and then click OK. Next, we have to find display to display the output. We need 2 display. Then connect to the bus selector. Next, we have to find 3-phase sine generator. For the input. Next, we need 3 more constant. We just simply click Ctrl and then drag the component to copy. Okay, first input is for magnitude, phase and frequency. For the frequency, we have to set to 50. Okay, next we need to find 3-phase measurement. And next we have to connect the input A, B and C. Okay, next we have to make sure the 3-phase measurement face to ground. And then we have to open the block parameter in asynchronous machine and set the squirrel cage preset model. Next we put the input in constant for magnitude. Next we have to find a control voltage source. And then we have to set the parameter until the initialize. Then click apply, then OK. Then we need 3 control voltage source. Next we have to find the marks. Then we need to adjust the demarks to 3 input because we have 3 control voltage source. Then we need a terminator. Next, we have to find the RMS, 3 RMS. Then we need a display for display the output. Then we have to find the power source for the input. Next, we need a gain for rotor speed. Next, we need to set the gain 60 over 2 pi. Next, we need a ground. And the last component is power GUI. After we complete the circuit, click run to simulate. And then you can see the value will be displayed on display component. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syakir bin Mahamri. My matric is DE200037. Okay, in this task 3, I want to tell about for the no load test of 3-phase induction motor. Okay, first of all, after we open the Simulink, then we design same like the no load in the task 3 that have been given. Okay, this is for the power GUI, 3-phase VI measurement, ground load, constants, asynchronous machine SI unit, bus selector, display, RMS, power instantaneous, terminator, 3-phase sign generator, and constants. Okay, this is for the no load test. First of all, asynchronous machine SI unit, we click it and then make a rotor type squirrel cage. After that, for the mechanical input, we change into torque TM. Then click apply and OK. Okay, then it appear here, torque. Okay, this is for the load. The task is given for no load, so the no load is 0. Then we move to the constant. Here we change for the input become 220, 220. Multiply, then we click OK. Okay, after we change the input here for the constant, then make sure for the V phase here is around 220. Okay, after that, for the 3-phase VI measurement, we click and make sure for the voltage measurement is face to ground, and then click apply and OK. After that, we try to run it. Okay, here for the V phase is appear here is around for 220. This is for the no load test. We can try to make here is around for the 400. Then at first we try to convert here is 400. Then click apply and OK. Then for the 3-phase measurement, we change for the face to face. Click apply and OK. After that, we try to run it and see for the output in the V phase here. Okay, for the output of the V phase here is around for the 400. It's because we change for the input here. Okay, then we can measure all of it and write in the assignment report. Okay, that's all for the task 3. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syamil bin Abdul Hadi. My matrix number is DE200035, and I'm going to do the test number 4, torque speed characteristic of 3-phase induction motor. Okay, first of all, we must look at this model. We are using 400 volt and 50 Hz speed and rotor. And then for this one, we are using face to face. In test number 3, we use face to ground, but this test number 4 we are using face to face. And then we also change the output here. This is the output. We use 400 times square root 2 and divided by square root 3. This is different with the number test number 3. Okay, and this one we also have RAM. We use this to increase speed linearly, and then we also have this one XY graph. This is to get the speed and torque. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, this one. Okay, we got the same here, and then after that we look at the graph. For number 2 we are using 50 volt, and then question number 3 we run here, and number 4 we put our torque. Okay, for the torque, how to find it We click here and we find the maximum, and the maximum is 91.69. so this is the pull out torque. Okay, that's all for me for test number 4. Thank you.